All right, here we are outside of the new hike series that we just got here at RV Wholesalers. Let's take a walk around this bad boy and show you what kind of this new brand has to offer. So they are an Asdale siding, just like all of the rest of the Winnebago line, with the aluminum cage construction. We'll rotate around here. You can see this nice steel frame they got on the outside, just kind of give you that off-road style feel. They are a little bit short. They're about 16 feet total on all their floor plans. There's about 5 or 6 of them, and you're at about 4.5, 5 feet wide there, keeping it narrow. Now, what they did kind of unique here, because they are so narrow, these wheel wells that they got, they're turning them all into storage. So you're kind of keeping that unique. Get that off-road style tread, and you can kind of see there, if he wants to peek in there, you get that nice off-road style axle. They're keeping those nice and beefed up. Now these campers only weigh about 4,500 pounds fully loaded, so that gross vehicle weight's only about 4,500 pounds. So they're awesome, nice and lightweight. You can just about tow them with anything and take them anywhere with that nice off-road package. Again, that steel bar continues all the way around. This specific one's a toy hauler style setup. You got that nice opening, bed that can fold down. Still set up for that camera back there, but there are other ones, bigger beds, a little bit different floor plans. So they're awesome. The Hike 100s are awesome. Again, new line by Winnebago. Solar panels on top, kayak carriers on top on all the floor plans. Awesome little campers. Hope to see you in one.